Welcome to Higher Ready People Inc. Please visit us at higheredypeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher Ready People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 36959. The job location is in Texas City. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: experience using Power BI connectors, Microsoft Analysis, Service, and DAX visualization. Proficient in visualization software. Must have Power BI experience to have SAC experience, data analysis, ability to translate business needs into visualization that drive action through insights, leveraging data available to answer key business questions. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 8 years. No certifications are required. Face to face interview process is not required.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Higher Ready People Inc. Please visit us at higheredypeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher Ready People on your favorite social platforms.